Fine. Ugali na supu.
Kama unasimulia vyombo.
Niko nabambika kuziosha. Leo video yangu ilikuwa na 2.6k views. Ndio views.
hivi.
Hadi hiyo ingeweza. Hivi ushaijaribu hii toast yenye unaanza na zesta? Unapaka zesta katikati, alafu una nini? So ulisema unaiweka hapa kwa nini?
Side.
Si basi mimi ningekuwekea. Unataka tuicheke, si ndio?
Tunataka kufanya vile kuku. Tunaona. But it's doing well.
Kalian. Kalian.
little eyes first. Snowy.
There we have it.
Nice.
Funny. Sasa acha nikiweka wapi? Oh my god. Yaani kisu yangu umechukua kuoshea ukakatia nyama. The knife isn't sharp. Hot. You need later. Toilet, yeah.
Sunny.
For last. Zimekauka. Zimekauka haraka. The sun is sunning. Feel this setup is slaps kind of different. Yes. Improvising. Yeah.
Naona pena na kuta garlic. Sasa unafanya kile insect ilikuwa inanini mguu sasa acha
ukiwa hapo unasikia heat vile iko juu sana iko kutoka huko. Chachilo. Okay. Efasi weka huko.
Yeah. Wewe kumbe loke kwa mingi hivi. Ndani. Sana. Maji ndio mengi. Nakueleza kitu. Sabuni nyingi. Tulitumia tupu. I'm going to my stomach, but it's fine. Yeah. Fine. Ugali na supu. Nyama. A small one. No.
Good evening, guys. It's in the evening here. This is Royal Kim, and the Kim is KHWM. I'm here in the farm with coriander and two other beautiful ladies inside there. They're gonna be coming anytime from now. So we have a task to do this evening. Let me show you. Actually, today we did do how do I call it? Is it like a utensil, outdoor utensil rack? How do we call this, Albi? You know the name? Anyway, this is Albright, and that is, who is this girl? Please come and introduce yourself.
Madam Director.
Madam Director. Yeah, she's the director of this big family. Yeah.
Okay, so hello guys. Hope you're doing very well. It's a beautiful day. Actually, a lot always goes on in this farm.
This vlog is late because of Madam Director.
I'm sorry.
We have been waiting for her, but because it couldn't start without her. Yeah.
Yeah, so we are here now. What are we starting with?
We are going to be. Remember, we've been wanting to plant those dania.
Coriander.
Yeah. This is life with Chakua. Life with Chakua. Yeah. So, can you introduce officially now?
Yeah, officially. My sister. Yeah, she's my sister. And she's gonna be here as she said.
Guys, Kirende is here. Just say hello, man, as you go.
Yeah, hey, what's up, my beautiful people? It's your boy here, Kerende. Yeah, guys, it's a fine day.
Yeah.
I've been here. How do you say? It is evening or what?
Yeah, it's actually in the evening. It's sunset
Okay.
now.
Yes, I come to visit my brother here. So for a long time, we
It's
haven't
been a
met.
minute, man.
Yeah.
But you were busy also at the farm, and now
Yes.
you are back.
Yeah, now we are together.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, bro. That is Kirendo on YouTube. So, guys, I could have planted these dania, but these girls promised to do that for me, so that's why we are here. Starting with Madam Director. So we agreed on this box here. Okay. So this is the box that we're going to plant dania, the coriander,
Yeah, so we start
with water.
with water first,
At
and
least-
then we draw the lines.
Oh, actually no, we just plant and then we do water later.
I think we start with water.
You want to do that? Okay then. The watering can, Madam Ardenway, we call her Albright, aka Ardenway. She's going to be. You can actually dip it. Just dip it inside. Yeah, that big one. This is not drinking water. It's just for farm purpose. Just go easy.
It's big.
Oh, yeah. Focus on this side. Just focus on this. Now you're learning farm. This is farm basics.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's a city girl, but we want to make her a farm girl in the next few days. Yeah, we want to make her a farm girl. And now go show people your skills of watering. I know life with Chakua is going to make you a perfect farm girl. She's also a city girl, but a mixture of city and farm life. Yeah. Guys, we want to do coriander because they are the both of them. They can't do food without dania or coriander, so that's why we're doing this. You are done with watering?
Yeah.
No, you're not done.
Not.
Yeah, I mean, look, it's not uniform. Oh my God, look at the city life in you. Let me show you. Hold me the camera. Just hold the GoPro. So when you water, we just do this. Picture that this water is sprinkling uniformly. You see? And then Madam Director herself will show you what next. Yeah. Yeah.
Stick like this.
Experience
Yeah. From Amasase garden.
from a Masase garden. Oh my
You
God.
make sure first your soil is very uniform.
That water was just to reduce the dust, eh? And then now.
Very uniform. You want to help? Yeah, from this side.
Can I can bring something like
Another.
like a panga machete, a small one.
But this is better.
That okay, it's fine. So I think that is 50 grams of coriander seeds.
Yeah, for sure.
So that we can do like 3 rounds by the time it's finished. So utatumia tu just kanini kamoja tu mkono moja and then it will go.
Like one.
You want to use all of it?
No.
No, okay.
Just sprinkle maybe one.
Okay, now make the small
Yeah,
the
let me
small
make on this
lines.
side and then Albert will do on the other side.
Okay. Albright. This is what we do most of the times, and we were never born doing this. We have just learned in the process. Does it look tough? It's easy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So this 3 lines. 1,
Mm.
2.
Can you just make it a little bit deep? Like not deep, but at least open.
Okay, there.
What if you did it with your hands? It'll be more better.
My hand.
Yes, you don't have nails. You see what Albright is doing? That is exactly what I was suggesting.
Don't say it's bad.
Madam Director, after all the praises we have given you, you are failing us now.
Like it's even not that deep.
After all the praises we have given Madam Director here. You know, Madam Director is the name that I call Pauline Thomas. She's a film director, a member of this family actually from the UK, an aspiring Kenyan, and Ivy also knows that I call her Madam Director. So today she was like, why are you calling me Madam Director just like Pauline Thomas? It just happened that you guys have the same spirit of executing. You know Pauline is the kind of person that if she intends to do a project, she'll do it no matter what. And I also saw the same spirit in Ivy. That's why I called you Madam Director. Good job. Okay. Now do up to this end.
Let me
then.
do one last one here. Maybe you can draw the. Oh, you want
Wow, good job, Albright. A few hours and you are a perfect farm girl.
I'm trying.
Oh my God. Guys, welcome to the last bit of this video. We normally love making it raw and uncut to just break the monotony. You know, it's been minutes of, you know, cuts and perfect shots, and then at the end of the video we love making everything raw and uncut and also engage and do some activities together. Yeah. Wow. Oh, come on, look at this. So perfect, man. All right, where did you learn this? It's just too perfect, man.
Just here.
I'm trying.
You learned it here.
Yeah,
That's
I'm
so
learning
perfect.
now.
Yeah, that's so perfect. Guys, you see, let me do an aerial clip. Look at that. So perfect. Ivy, please don't make me stop calling you Madam Director. I have a lot of faith in you,
But
please.
it's now good.
It's now perfect, eh? Now it's good.
Okay.
Yeah, now it's good. Now you guys can plant now. But we have to keep more seeds for the next round after we deplete this one. So we're gonna have tomatoes here and coriander there, and also this other box we're going to do more of tomatoes. Ivy, did we plan that?
What?
We said we will do tomato here so that when this is being finished, that one can be ready also. Yeah.
I'll write. You open the seal.
Ivy, are we also going to do a chicken coop?
Yeah, we're going to do a DIY.
These are the seeds.
Maybe use. Yeah, we have scissors.
You can actually just cut, or maybe I do it manually for
we
you
have
guys.
scissors
Just
there.
hold
You
this
can.
one.
Okay.
The camera. I mean, when you're in the farm and you don't have all that, what you do? Just do like this, and then you can actually get the seeds this way.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, and then you can keep it.
Okay.
Okay, guys, let me hold the camera.
Just a little.
Make sure that it's
Like one. Like
let's.
inside the hole. No, that's a lot.
That's a lot.
Let me try. Yeah.
Okay, you show her. You show her. But I think she has an idea. Let's see what Madam Director is saying.
Like you see, like that.
Oh, you're really trying to utilize them, not
Yeah,
like to
because-
pour.
Yeah, like one.
Because you know they always grow like a bunch, a lot of them. Yeah, it's a good thing to.
Not a lot. Yeah, just a little.
Let's go and see what Albright is doing. aka Athenway. You're actually doing a good job, trust me. You're doing a Actually, you are a natural one. You are a natural. Yeah. The sun is setting on that other end. Snowy. Snowy. How are you, my friend? I love this cat, man. I mean, you know, Snowy sometimes behaves like a human being. I'm like, Snowy, and then the cat turns and looks at me. Okay, it's a good thing to know your name. Yeah. Guys, as they plant, I want to show you what I showed you in the beginning, but I didn't do it perfectly. We added something around the sink. We added these outdoors utensil rack. Ivy has been washing utensils, putting them here, and then I'm just explaining what happened. So when Ivy has been doing dishes, she has always been placing them in. The space has been so small. So when I was at their farm, I saw they have these outdoor utensil rack, and today I did one. I know you have seen the process somehow in the beginning of the video. And also today I also extended this top here. I made it more larger, you know. Now you can sit here like here comfortably, you know, place your legs here, and then you can use a laptop, because this used to be this small board, but now it's like double. You can eat from here, work from here. Yeah, you see, very comfortable. Yeah, the shade was also a problem because this has not the shade has not grown well, so we put an iron sheet here to just give us more shade. But when these how do you call it, is it a fruit tree? When this shade will grow perfectly because it's on top, when it grows, then I'll remove the iron sheet. When it will be like fully grown, I'll remove the iron sheet.
Are we covering the seed?
Slightly, not fully, just slightly. Yeah, like not fully.
Not fully, like like this.
You can actually just do this.
Oh,
You see, it's like you just yeah, like just put the soil, but not like fully, just a little bit, like that. You just don't want to see the seeds. You're just trying to cover them, but not like fully cover them, because when it rains or when you water, more soil keeps, you know, covering it. So that's why you don't have to do it like heavily.
so like that.
Yeah. You're done now?
Yeah.
So can we do now the real watering? Okay. Still have some water here. Out for me the camera so that I can fetch the water for you guys. Okay. I've played the boss for many minutes. I don't have to do the boss thing anymore. I'm just happy to see you guys doing this. I mean, for many days Kim has been alone in the farm. Now I have this big family. It's a blessing to me having Albright and Madam Director. Good. Now we continue with these ones. So I will tell people what we have been doing around here.
Oh, I know they might say maybe we
It's
would
dirty.
have no.
Yeah, we would have done a compost pit.
Yeah.
Yeah. But why have we not done a compost pit?
No, I don't know. maybe this is the only easier way. Maybe we will have done. Snowy is always where people are. Snowy doesn't like Snowy is not a loner.
Not like Royal Kim.
Like also that one.
Oh.
Sunny.
Yeah.
You will never find Sunny around people. It's very rare.
Yeah. Let's go and water the onions now.
Oh, okay.
Albright, have you ever planted spring onions before?
Yeah.
Wow. So have we done the right thing? I love people with experience.
Yeah, especially the cutting.
We did well.
All good.
So what do you suggest we do to make it a perfect project as we continue?
The onion.
Yeah, an idea. What do you suggest?
No idea, because I saw you planted some near the house and they're good.
Okay. We still have some tomatoes back there. So let's go there.
The tomatoes. What's it called?
Ivy, we're back here.
Oh, okay. So I'm here with Albright. She was asking where the tomatoes are, so they're on the other end.
Okay. So these ones are fully grown. They are doing good. They even have flowers.
Now we are waiting for the fruits.
We're waiting for the fruits, yeah. So it was like 20 plants, seedlings. And out of 20, only 5 have done good. Yeah, out of 20. It was a lot of, you see those ones, they have standard growth, even those other ones. But we transferred some on the other side. We have 5 there, 5 here, so they are 10 out of 20.
Yeah.
Let me use this one.
But they will survive. Those ones. Now we are waiting for the big harvest.
Yeah, for sure. We're done here now. Yeah.
So let's go clean our hands because a little
It's
bit.
really bad. Let me the camera.
Okay.
Good, thank you guys. This is you guys will see more of Albright in the next. We will share her channel where she'll be doing videos and also live with Chakua.
Okay, so guys, go check my channel on Life with Shakua. Yeah. And also thank you for your support because I know you've been supporting me big time.
Yeah.
Yeah, and also go support Albright on Earth and We.
Yeah, guys, this cat, this is what Ivy was talking about. This cat is really alone. This cat doesn't like people, but it's fine. But Snowy always likes people. Snowy always follows people. So I'm going to look for more tomato seedlings and plant them here. I wanted to do capsicum, but I haven't gotten capsicum yet. But when I get capsicum seeds, I'm going to plant them on another box. Let me show you. I don't just only have these boxes, I have another one back there. Let me show you. Let me show you my other new box. I think in the last video I was working on this box. Yeah, this is what I was working on. I have not mixed the manure yet. On that corner I have a lot of manure. It's just because I haven't gotten the soil to the level that I want. So I'll be finishing up that tomorrow. And I also have another task to do there. Maybe I should also go and tell you what I wanted to do with that Jiko. Let me show you. This is what I want to do. Whether the light will actually allow me. But I want... It's still using a lot of firewood, so I want to add more mud somewhere on the floor to raise the distance between where the pot rests and where the fire is. Yeah, so that is what I might do it early in the morning as I also finish the soil there, putting the soil there. Yeah, so let me end my video somewhere there as we say hello to Snowy. Snowy, say hello to people before I go. Say hello to people before I go, please, my friend. You showing us your talents? Just say hello before. Okay. It's okay, Snowy. We have seen your talents. I'll see you later. That is Snowy, the oldest cat here, and we love it so much. Everyone loves Snowy. Yeah, so it's very late now, and I'm going to end my video here as I say thank you so much for the love and the support you guys have always shown me. And now you see I'm not doing videos alone anymore. I have a big family, so I request you to keep supporting all of us. We are here, young Africans who wants to do well in life, and we want to keep doing what we can do the best. So please make sure that you support the people that you see with me. And also Kerende, please check out that young man. In a few days he's going to be done with school, and he's gonna be here also working with us, and he has a channel. Someone helped me in one way or the other, because it wasn't just one person. It was Mara and many other people that came to just hold my hand. and what I'm doing also, I can't do it without you. So all these people, Albright, Ardenway, then Life with Chakua, yeah, and Kerende, please guys check them out. When I share their videos, just share what you think. If there is anything you think could be done to make the work better, just share. And now we have Buy Me Soda platform. You see always the QR code on my video and Ivy's video. So you know, when you feel you're blessed enough that season or this season, just buy a soda, support us. And we are not like asking for help or anything. No, it's tips, it's done all over the world. And thank you so much for this. I think there is someone from South Africa. I saw a tip from you. You sent a tip and you said that is for you and Chakua. Thank you so much. May God bless you. And many other people that will keep tipping and supporting our work every day. We are not rich, we are not wealthy, we are in the process of building ourselves. And most of the times the YouTube revenue is never fully enough. So when we get many ways of raising capital and revenue to keep doing better, we always need to be ready, because these gadgets that we use, sometimes they break, we need to buy new ones. So if you really love our work, you really love what we do, when you wake up and you feel blessed that day and you want to tip us, click the link, scan this QR code, support Royal Kim, support Life with Chakua, support Ardenway, support Kirende, and God will bless you. I love you so much, and guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.